I earned a good sum in a month trading only in the mornings before work, no more than 20 minutes a day. This was a text to me by one of my followers, and I always check direct messages on Telegram, read everything, reply to everyone, but the most interesting messages inspire me to do something new, fresh, and create. Imagine I achieved much more than I achieved in my normal work, but the most important thing was to combine normal work with trading. Jack, could you accept this challenge and make a guide for trading in the morning? I love challenges. I will say that's my weakness, but not in a racist way, of course. Something like, Jack, could you bet 1 million on the black color in the casino? Well, no, only when it requires strategic thinking and when it can be a mentor to you. So this video is for those who are afraid to break out of their routine and dive right into trading. You are at the right place. We are going to see early trading because every morning doesn't start with a coffee. Well, let's do a little bit of trading before we go to work. Now, some of my followers are probably in shock. What did you say? Work? Yeah. Do you think I have a job? Well, yes, I have a main job. I mentor in my Telegram channel and here on YouTube. Unlike the stock market, most of our counters markets operate 24 hours a day. It's very convenient. You just have to choose the time of the day when you want to work. Something that fits your style and your schedule. It can be during bedtime, during lunch, but I choose to work in the morning. Well, in the morning when you only wake up and feel fresh. I like the concept of the one that starts earlier and finishes earlier. I didn't expect my Telegram channel to take off like this, and in fact I don't even invest in promotion or anything. I'm just trying to do what's best for my followers. No junk content, no advertising, no old strategy, no unverified information, and that's what both experts and beginners trust me. Some beginners don't even try to understand. They just trade with me, have fun, and always benefit with profit. Pause the video and go to the link in the description because you might forget it. Okay, let's get started then. We opened the platform. Someone recently asked me why I avoid trading the shares of market giants. It almost offended me because only someone who doesn't pay attention could ask those kind of questions. Today we are adding Tesla and Microsoft shares. Big enough for you to our morning menu. Okay, let's take $25. Sure, we could start with a simple 5, but you have seen how I do it. And if not, check my Telegram channel. Well, today's approach is going to be different. There is no time for long distance racing. We are running out of time and I need a clear, simple and predictable result. So, will the RSI indicator help us today? It's very simple, but that's why it's so effective. If you have an experience and understand the market, the RSI is basically all you need. If you have no experience or understanding, it will be even easier because I'm all you need. So, let's go. Let's start with Tesla stock. Here we have the RSI, which is the oversold area. I think we need to wait for a bounce up. So we go up and wait. Trading doesn't stop. I have competitors. Okay, competitors, that sounds a little loud. I always keep going because I invent, test, and publish new things. Not some advice from 3 years ago or something. I don't get strategies from the internet, but I get them from books and exclusive training by geniuses in the market. I adapt them to be as understandable as possible for my beginners and those who are good with my numbers. Join my channel and take a look at the community I've built. Many heard about the topic of trading that same day they joined me and still felt with good result, until left with good result. Take a second and pause the video before you forget it. Click on the link in the description and subscribe for more convenience. Besides, I also left in the first comment posted so it doesn't get lost. Oh, that's great. The rebound was small, but we don't need more. This is a great move and it has already given us $46. Let's move on to Microsoft for now. Well, it's pretty clear here as well. A slight dip after which you can guess a growth. Let's increase the amount. The RSI also suggests that. Let us not waste our time. Alright folks, already $86 in the balance. What next? Remember, my goal is minimal risks. Can you imagine if things screw up now in a trading session and I go to work in disgust? No. Here we take What has the least risk? Well, the picture here also seems clear and predictable. We have seen natural upward movement. The RSI indicator shows a strong oversold moment. I think we should take advantage of the up right now. That's a good start. That's a great way to start the day. We are increasing the amount of our investment, so we haven't touched this currency pair yet. I see that after the correction, an upward movement has begun. Well, let's get on it. And yes, guys, we have made the right decision. We have already had in total $300 in our balance. That's a good morning. That's a good morning, guys. I could close my laptop and go to work in a good mood. But I didn't get up early and I still have much time. Let's keep looking. We have the option of choosing 2 couples and 2 actions. There is no need to sit and back and wait for the image to become clear. We just move between them and search a better time. So let's test Microsoft. We are moving down here. As I see, we are encountering a resistance level. And it's a great success. Friends, let's take our profit, increase our investment capital, and look beyond. Yes, by the way, I wanted to say, sorry if my sessions don't look like something like, oh my God, how much I earn. It's a miracle for me. Trading is experience, clear and understandable. Indicators, code calculations, and predictable results. Most of my subscribers understand that, but hey, it's good to say it loud from time to time. I think you understand that too. Oh well, let's just stay here anyway. We can open a sell position as soon as the correction will be completed. I can't tell all about trading on YouTube, so I have my Telegram channel. There you will find detailed strategies and their analysis, as well as live sessions where we operate together. It's ideal for beginners, so relax and follow me, and you will have guaranteed benefit. The link is here below in the video, in the description, and in the posted comment. Subscribe and don't miss the opportunity to take your life to another level. Whether it's to travel more, buy your mom a country house, or leave that boring job you have, the link is in the description. And it is also in the first comment on the video. And yes, our movement was predicted without any errors. But we must be vigilant and do not make a very impulsive move. Guys, we are back where we were because the move is in a narrow channel. And here I am entering from a lower boundary, pushing up. Here we go, guys. If the trend was correct, it's almost ridiculous to brag about it. To be honest, it was too obvious. For a moment, it looked like the chart was about to go down, but the bigger picture clearly shows an upward trend. Guys, what about Tesla? We'll see. After the correction, the RSI bounced off the midline, and it looks like the downtrend will continue. The perfect move is another successful move. If you want to learn to read graphics as quickly as I do, it's totally possible in a very short time, but you need a good mentor. So congratulations, you already found it. If you don't want to miss this opportunity, send me a direct message right now to Telegram and we will be in touch. The link to my Telegram will be in the description of this video, and check the first comment posted. So what is happening in the Chinese market? I see that the price has reached a resistance level here, and the RSI indicator is in the oversold area. Therefore, we expect a change in our trend. Yeah guys, our deal closing in a plus. I had a good time without pauses, step by step. And the truth is that I am already reaching my limit. With each step, the responsibility gets bigger and bigger. So stuff like no unintentionally arise. In no way I can win this success with impulsive move. Let's quote Microsoft. Here we are opening up to the downside. And as I see, we are encountering a resistance level. Yes, guys, the morning can now be considered complete. $9,000. I think it was worth spending about 10 to 15 minutes. The experiment was very interesting, even if someone only has half An hour a day with my instruction is more than enough to multiply the initial capital. In the process, a not so obvious advantage emerged from this type of trading. Is there in your mind what else I can do? What else can I achieve in these minutes? Well, I don't have much time. I'm totally focused. This is a difference from a standard 6 to 8 trading day. There are fewer sessions and performance is lower, but these are only 10 to 15 minutes of your day. Productivity is higher than average per hour in a standard mode, and you have all day left to do other things. Dude, if this isn't your dream job, then I don't know what else to dream about. Like what? The quiet life of a millionaire gets quickly boring. Or maybe it's not about the millions or something, you just want a boring job with no ambitions and a simple salary. Nah, that's a lie. I'm joking. A Ferrari or a Lamborghini is only a short-term goal, even a consequence. The result of moving towards really important goal, and what can be more important is a personal freedom and risk-free security without any attempt to trap happiness, dubious transactions and things like that. That's not my style or yours. All my trades are visible in your Telegram channel. If you want to be the captain of your own ship and not just an aimless passenger, then join us. I already put link in the description for more convenience. Also, check the first comment. It's time to become the captain of this trade.